In 2018, a small perfume bottle sat in a charity bin in Salisbury, England. Charlie Rowley found it and gave it to his girlfriend Dawn as a gift. She sprayed it on her wrists and died within hours in agony. The bottle contained Novichok, a Russian nerve agent 10 times deadlier than VX. But this wasn't meant for Dawn. Months earlier, Russian assassins had tried to kill former spy Sergei Skripal. They disguised their weapon as a perfume bottle to smuggle the deadly poison into Britain. After the failed mission, they threw it away like trash. Dawn had no idea she was holding a chemical weapon designed to kill on contact. One spray. That's all it took. British investigators discovered the truth too late. The assassins had walked among innocent people carrying enough poison to kill thousands. They discarded it where anyone could find it. The incident sparked the biggest espionage crisis since the Cold War, all because two killers couldn't be bothered to properly dispose of their weapon of mass destruction.